Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do VNC Remote with a Raspberry Pi. So, as you can see, I already have the menu up, but I will show you how to get the menu. First of all, you want to go down to your Raspberry Pi logo, go to Preferences, and Raspberry Pi Config. Now, you want to go over to Interfaces and enable VNC, and press OK. It will take a little bit because it has to load a program. That's fine, all normal, not the end of the world. Then you'll have it down here. You'll just double click it here and this menu similar will pop up. You should see a sign in somewhere around here. Not 100% sure where it is. And it will pop up with this. You'll just put your login information in and then you'll go. I did set up an account already for this, so let me go ahead and sign in. I completely forgot to say how to actually create an account. Sorry about that. But yeah, all you do is you go up to sign in, and right here you'll type in your email, and if it's not within their system, then it will start creating an account. All you do, type your email, type I'm not a robot, and there will be a picture somewhere showing you after this. I know I already said this, it is just a repeat, sorry. But there will be a picture somewhere showing you what it looks like after this. Of course, with my credentials blurred out. But I do recommend home use, not the other one, unless you are going to be doing um, the paid version. There is no difference in my case. I just do personal because all I'm doing is connecting to two different Raspberry Pis. Alright, and now time to continue with the rest of the video. As you can see right now, this is all the stuff I have on my account. But yeah, I really do like VNC because it's nice for personal use. And by the way, you'll get this. Just do home. You don't need a commercial. Same thing when you go through your account. Just choose personal. I will include some pictures of what the setup page looks like somewhere around here. It's somewhere on the screen. But here, you can put the name of what you see when you go log in. Just hit apply. I will lose connection. Just a fair warning because I'm VNC remoted with a different account right now. So maybe I won't. Yeah, I want to disconnect. So now that you have all that, you need to go get VNC Viewer. By the way, all the links for everything you'll need will be in the description. But yeah, here is VNC Viewer. You'll hit download. I already did that. I've done this video a lot, so it's now not down there because it timed out. But as you can see, VNC Viewer.exe. Just push OK, and you'll go through the setup. I'm pretty sure if you hit this, actually, let's try that. I think if you click that, it will install a desktop shortcut. Let's actually try that. It's pretty hard to break a program, so I will say that, at least while installing it. Yeah, if you do that, you do get the desktop icon. I personally don't use the desktop icon, just a personal preference. But once you get here, you'll push sign in. I go type in my credentials. And it says that they sent me an email, so I guess you have to go accept an email, pretty much allowing the device to be put in. Yep, right here. New sign in on your real VNC account, and if it was you, just hit continue, and then authorize sign in. Sign in has been authorized, and I just got a check mark. There we go. Now, you see here, Raspberry Pi. I double click on it and just click continue. Well, then you hit this page. This is where a lot of people do get confused. But this is the login of your Raspberry Pi. I will tell you the defaults. I'll also put them up on screen. It is Pi and then Raspberry. I will show you. Then you push OK, and there you go. I am now into the Raspberry Pi. It's pretty simple. This is going to be very laggy on video because I'm doing VNC on another VNC, but as you can see, pretty easy to do. And I've done this in a 5-minute video just showing you how to connect. So, but then a lot of people are probably like, well, I have an account, but I want to merge my Raspberry Pi with, well, not merge, I want to move it to another account. Well, that's pretty simple. You go up here and you hit listening. You will get a sign-in screen. Now, I have also Googled this before. Nobody shows you how to do this. So then you'll type in your credentials. I'm going to move it back over to my other account. Possibly if I could type in the information correct. Then you have to wait for it. And I will be right back. I'm going to go remove a couple devices off my account and I will be right back. By the way, I know you've probably already been to the screen for sign up. If you want to sign back in, you just type your email address back in, then it will ask you for a password. I just figured I'd let you know. Alright, so I'm just showing you how to remove devices. So you'll just go here, just push remove, remove, and remove, remove. And there you go. This will eventually update. It does take some time. You could leave the app open. I think the fastest time to redo it is just close out of it and open VNC Viewer again. Will you not update? There it goes. Okay. That's how you remove devices. Pretty simple. So now I will go back here, and as you can see, it comes up with this page again. I'm just going to name it Raspberry Pi because I don't have it anymore. I push apply, and you just give it a little bit because, Raspberry Pis are on an SD card. They do take some time. And I am now switched back over to my other account. So I could close out of this one and give it some time, and it should eventually update. Personally, I do like closing it just to go get the new stuff from their servers a little bit quicker. And as you can see, we have Raspberry Pi, and it sent the request. You just push continue. It is only a one-time thing, by the way, for that showing up. Again, it same login as before, Pi Raspberry. And you could do remember password if you don't want to constantly type it in. I should have told you that before, but I'm telling it to you now. And as you can see, I'm back on the Raspberry Pi on my desktop instead of that other one. So it's pretty simple to use. And that's going to be all. I hope this taught you something. But yeah, have a good day.